Let me show you 4 TikTok video ideas you can go into, and how you can make money with them without showing your face. Before you carry out this TikTok ideas, I will highly recommend you join an affiliate program in any of the TikTok video ideas I am about to tell you so you can start making money in no time through recommending products or services in your videos. And if you want other ways to make money online with TikTok, then check the link in the description for TikTok monetization. Use free stock videos and images to make your videos like I do here. To find them, simply do a Google search for stock videos and images. Let's begin. These video ideas are 1. Sports. For instance, you can make a video on the best sport bands, boots, or any equipment, etc., and recommend these products to your viewers, and when they purchase the products, you make money. 2. Travel. Make videos on the best hotels, travel bags, airlines, or even traveling tips, etc. Recommend your affiliate products to them, and when they buy, you make money. 3. Life hack. Here you can make videos on time management as a mom, how to wake up healthy and active, etc. Recommend affiliate ebooks, and when someone buys, you make money. 4. Unboxing and product reviews. You can simply do a quick review of health products, kids products, home appliances, weight loss products, skincare products, best phones, etc. Recommend your affiliate products, and when your audience make a purchase, you make money. Subscribe to my channel now and be notified when a new video is published.